Up next is the Top 6 at 6 with me. Stay tuned, guys.
From award-winning journalists at the Richmond Register, it's the Top 6 at 6 with Taylor 6. The Top 6 is brought to you by Cumberland Valley National Bank. Trusted for banking, known for caring. Visit them at cvnb.com. And Chenault Vineyards. Visit them, ChenaultVineyards.com. And kymedia.net.
Number 1. On Monday, Governor Andy Beshear awarded almost $3 million to 2 cities and 5 water utilities in Estill, Garrett, and Madison counties. The funding from the Better Kentucky Plan's $250 million Cleaner Water program will deliver clean drinking water and improve sewer and water systems. The program is estimated to create approximately 380,000 jobs across the state. In Berea, the governor also presented a ceremonial check for $160,000 to Madison County, representing Kentucky Transportation Cabinet projects to resurface portions of 4 roads: Griggs Road, Newby Road, Old Daniel Boone Road, and Cruz Lane. In Richmond, Governor Beshear also presented $1 million to Madison County for the God's Outreach Food Pantry Distribution Center project. The project includes the acquisition of a property at 950 4 Mile Avenue in Richmond, where God's Outreach will construct a 5,000-plus square foot food and commodity distribution center to serve as a central hub for their mobile food pantries. The mobile food pantries serve approximately 1,600 families in the surrounding counties of Estill, Jackson, and Lee. Number 2, effective Monday, February 14th, the Madison County Health Department will no longer be notifying those who test positive for COVID-19 of their positive status. In a press release sent out on Thursday afternoon, the Madison County Health Department noted this change in our practice has been brought about by the high number of positive COVID-19 cases in our community and increasing challenges to our ability to respond promptly with limited staffing. While universal case investigation and contact tracing were justified in the attempt to contain the pandemic at its onset, experts in public health agree these practices are no longer optimal. The press release also advised many states and localities have already scaled back or even stopped universal case investigation and contact tracing for COVID-19 and are refocusing their public health efforts and resources elsewhere. Number 3. On Wednesday, the work of several individuals hoping to give women a new start began when the first referral was made to the newly opened Lotus House in Berea. According to Caitlin Caldwell, the owner of the sober living facility, the Lotus House is a 10-bed recovery residence where treatment is provided for all clients who receive care according to their specific level of care, which is determined from a clinical assessment. She stated most of the women who are admitted to the Lotus House are at an intensive outpatient level, also known as IOP, upon assessment. This means the client attends IOP group for 4 days a week and 3 hours a day. The women living there will also receive other clinical services, including individual case management, peer support, and crisis intervention. This group provides all of the clinical aspects of the house, such as peer support, counselors, and case managers. Protea is licensed by the state of Kentucky to provide these services and has partnered with houses that are willing to follow the guidelines set by the state for housing and treatment. According to Caldwell, Protea works in conjunction with the owners of the recovery houses to set the houses up as specified by AODE, Alcohol and Other Drug Entity standards, and are always a member with the house owner to continue to grow and serve the Appalachian region. Number 4, Menards Home Improvement has once again pushed back their date for when they will arrive in the city of Richmond. According to City Manager Rob Meinrich, who has recently been in touch with officials at headquarters, the home improvement chain's Richmond location has an expected opening date of 2023. 2 weeks ago, Meinrich said he spoke with the general manager of construction, Jim Carlson, who stated to Meinrich originally the store was on schedule to be built in 2022, but because of supply chain issues, it will take place in 2023. Meinrich called the company originally in reference to the big mound of dirt near Walgreens, which is often jokingly referred to as Mount Menard by the public. The city manager said he was trying to arrange a deal with the company in which the mound of dirt could be used as filler. Originally, the Menards project was approved by the Richmond City Commission in 2016. Work began to progress throughout 2017, but seemingly halted after a fatal accident during ditch work in December that same year. In other project developments, Minrich reported the burger and custard restaurant Freddy's, which announced they're coming to Richmond in May, will be opening soon. The city manager reported this store has also had trouble with supply chain issues. This business took the location of the former Applebee's on the Eastern Bypass. Number 5. In a special called meeting Monday morning, the Berea Tourism Commission unanimously voted to apply for a grant to build a commercial kitchen in the former toll building on Chestnut Street. Berea Business and Tourism Development Director Donna Angel asked for a letter of support from the Commission in applying for the $100,000 federal grant as well as $25,000 in funds for the project. Business and Tourism Development has already pledged $25,000 toward the project should the city win the grant. Angel noted the city has already secured $100,000 of a grant money from the USDA Rural Development Division in recent years, which helped fund the Chestnut Street Pavilion. Martina LaForce and Mayor Bruce Fraley worked together on the grant. Angel added a commercial kitchen in the toll building would be an asset because it will enable caterers to provide food service to people who reserve or rent the conference area. The conference area is expected to serve approximately 50 people, and additionally, Angel said a commercial kitchen could help support producers from the Berea Farmers Market who would be able to use the kitchen. Additionally, a commercial kitchen would provide the city with a revenue stream from the facility since more people would be likely to rent it for private occasions and business meetings. Number 6. Several academic teams from Madison County schools met at Waco Elementary on Saturday for the District 86 Governor's Cup. 4th and 5th grade academic team members from Waco Elementary, Kit Carson Elementary, Kingston Elementary, as well as model laboratory schools came together to test their skills in composition, problem solving, and quick recall. Model took first place in the competition, Waco was second, Kingston was third, and Kit Carson took fourth. Alongside the other schools competing in Madison County's education district, the events at Waco determined which students will go on to regional competitions. The next round of the Governor's Cup will be a regional competition on February 28th that will pit students' future problem solving and composition skills to the test. The results from other Madison County districts competing in the Governor's Cup are the following. In the 85th District, Glen Marshall Elementary took first place, Whitehall Elementary took second place, Daniel Boone took third, followed by Boonesboro Elementary. In the 87th District, Berea Community Elementary School received first place, Silver Creek Elementary took second, and Kirksville Elementary took third, which was followed by Shannon Johnson Elementary. And there you have it, everyone. Those are the top 6 stories that you needed to know this week. Join me again next week as I tell you 6 more things that you need to know.
The Top 6 is brought to you by Cumberland Valley National Bank, trusted for banking, known for caring. Visit them at cvnb.com. And Chenault Vineyards. Visit them, ChenaultVineyards.com. And kymedia.net. Download the Richmond Register News app on your favorite device or sign up and subscribe online at richmondregister.com.